Businesses live and die by their online reviews, and 75% of them aren't doing a single thing about it. That means right now in your city, there are hundreds of businesses sitting at 3 stars watching customers call their competitors instead, and they'll pay you $500 to $3,000 a month to fix it. So I built a custom AI tool with Claude Code, 9 skills, and multiple AI agents that all work together to audit any business's entire online reputation in minutes, all in autopilot. Reviews, sentiment, competitors, everything. And it generates a professional PDF report you can hand to the business owner and say, here's what's wrong and here's how we fix it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to find the businesses that are desperate for this right now. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to turn this into a real business that brings in recurring income every single month. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to do a quick demo for you and run this tool on an actual business because the result is going to blow your mind. And then I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn this into an actual business, who the ideal customer is, and how to reach out and everything else you need. All right. So I'm inside my Claude Code, inside my VS Code. Again, don't worry if you're not new to this. I'm going to explain everything. So all I have to do in the bottom here, I'm just going to go ahead and run a / command and say reputation and then reputation audit. And I'm going to go ahead and select a plumber. So I'm just going to do this Diablo Plumbing Services. It's an actual business that's in the San Francisco Bay Area. So all I have to do, and as you can see, they have 3.5 stars and 53 reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and copy their business website. And I'm going to go back to my Claude Code and I'm just going to paste this. And there you go. All I have to do is now press enter. So now it's going to go ahead and run an entire 7-phase analysis and run multiple agents simultaneously to do an actual audit of the entire review, competitor analysis, and everything else. So all of this is happening based on the skill.md file that's inside this tool. The first phase is going to gather information, use a web search and web fetch to collect the business name, the URL, industry, the Google reviews, Yelp reviews, Trustpilot, and everything else. And then the second phase is going to launch 5 parallel agents. So after all of this is done, again, this is the skill.md file, which is instructing Claude Code to run all of this. Here's the output that you're going to receive. And there you go. So it generated this incredible report. So it gives it a score of 62 out of 100, grade C+, which means there's lots of room for improvement. So it gives you a nice little executive summary, what Diablo Plumbing is. So it says a well-established 39-year-old Bay Area plumbing company with strong industry credentials and has all of these incredible metrics like your sentiment analysis, right? You have the emotion distribution. You've got metrics related to review theme analysis, platform rating, like with different platforms like Google, Yelp, Angie, BBB, Nextdoor, Facebook, and everything else. Here's another great metric, competitor benchmarking. Now it compares Diablo Plumbing, which is the target here, the average rating, the total reviews, the response rate, the sentiments with the top competitors in the same industry. It gives you the competitive gaps here, the competitive opportunities, review responses. It actually says, all right, for these particular reviews that you're getting, first of all, you need to respond to them right away. And it also gives you the recommended response, right? This is based on an actual review, a negative review that the customer left. This tool recommends and actually provides an actual response that you can literally copy and paste. Same thing. So it has a bunch of different responses. And here's kind of the money shot, right? So this is where you have, this tool provides you a 90-day action plan that you can take. And this is where you can start the conversation of, hey, this is where I can come in and provide the service where I can charge you $500 to $3,000 a month, where we have this 90-day action plan that we can turn your negative reviews into positive and increase that rating. So that way your customers don't go to your competitors and come to you instead. So you have an immediate action plan this week. It says respond to all unanswered negative Yelp reviews, right? Priority, this should be number 1. Effort is low. Expected impact high, shows active engagement. So this one simple thing, it says it has estimated 15 to 20 reviews that this business has not responded to. That's the first priority, right? A lot of times when you respond as a business owner, when you respond to customer reviews, they sometimes change their mind. They actually remove their negative reviews or increase the star that they gave, the star rating, just because the business took time to review and took care of that customer. So again, it gives you the short term, the long term, projected reputation, a score improvement if you actually follow these different guidelines. And by the way, you can run this on any business, right? I chose plumber as an example, but you can run this on SaaS website, e-commerce, restaurants, barbers, everything else, right? And it will generate a specific report for that particular industry based on the benchmarks. Now, of course, not every business is going to be the perfect business for this particular tool, but I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly which business, as far as ranking from the top to bottom, would be ideal for them and why this will be useful and the chances of them hiring you, and then also what kind of pricing and how to sell this to them. So essentially, based on the research that I've done, the best businesses that this particular tool works for are businesses that bad reviews just happen naturally, right? So you have businesses where pricing is confusing, jobs are subjective, or customer expectation frequently clashes with reality. The top business are moving companies, locksmiths, general contractors like home remodelers, the great targets like your HVAC companies, your roofing companies, appliance repair, carpet, pest control. So I've labeled this as kind of top to bottom. But the reason for this particular ranking is that you want to make sure you're targeting businesses that have a lot of need. Like, for instance, there's lots of moving companies for a reason, because a lot of people move. Moving in general is stressful. Sometimes things get damaged during move. Pricings are different, and people's expectation versus reality are very different. So that's why moving companies are a perfect example of where bad reviews occur naturally. And this tool is such a great way to go to these moving companies. Hey, look, you've gotten 3.5 stars. You got 3.2 stars based on A, B, C, D. And here's how I can help you. Here's how we can work together to increase those star reviews for you. By the way, a lot of businesses, they know that this is the problem, but unfortunately, especially when businesses like your contractors or your movers or your roofing companies, HVAC companies, A, they're not technical savvy, and B, they don't have the time to deal with it. They know that it's extremely important for them to have online presence and their online reviews matter, but they don't have the time to go to these different platforms and manage and respond to every customer review, even though they know it's extremely important. So that's where you come in now. Now let's quickly talk about how or what are the best methods to find customers that will be completely ideal for this particular tool. And by the way, if you want to learn how to install this tool step by step, how to access it and how to sell this and everything else and start your agency, not just this tool, but other tools built with Claude Code that are specifically for local businesses and how to make money with Claude Code and start your agency, check out the community. Link is going to be in the description. All right. So now let's go ahead and focus on finding your ideal customer or how to find it. You want to focus on your major tools like Google Maps, Yelp, BBB, which stands for Better Business Bureau. It's in the US. And you also want to make sure that you're focusing your search on bigger cities, right? Like Los Angeles, New York City, San Francisco Bay Area, Houston, Dallas, the bigger cities where you know that companies like this exist in volume, because you want to not limit yourself with a few small areas. Of course, this is going to work in wherever your locality is, but you want to start reaching out to kind of businesses that have high volume in bigger cities. And the way to approach this, by the way, the cold outreach is not like you're sending an email saying, hey, I know how to improve your business reviews or your Yelp reviews, or that's not going to get a response from your client. The best way to do this is you run the reputation audit just like I showed you. You generate that report, and that's specific for that business. Again, you're not leading with just a cold sales pitch. You're leading with value, because when you provide value to these businesses for free, they know that, hey, if this person is going to provide this much value for me for free, I wonder what they're going to do for me if I actually start paying them, right? So that's just the reality. The more value you provide, the higher the chance for them to jump on that call. And once you go to the sales call, you want to walk them through the PDF report. You want to share your screen, kind of focus on the main 3-4 findings that are in that PDF report. And then obviously you want to emphasize their competitors, because they know that they have a lot of competition, especially businesses that are, in kind of the repair industry, or your plumbers of the world, your HVAC repairs, your movers. They have a lot of competition because these businesses, just in general, especially in bigger cities, have a lot of competition. So they're aware of that. So when you point that out, that, hey, here's what you're doing wrong and here's what your customers are, or what your competitors are doing right, they're going to listen to that, because they know exactly why they're losing to their particular competitors. And if you can provide a solution to kind of get them up in the ranking, they will most likely hire you because they don't have the time to deal with this, right? So once you get on a sales call, you go through the PDF because that's value on its own. As far as the pricing, obviously the audit and the report, you're giving this for free. You do monthly reputation management, right? You do $500 to $2,000. You say, hey, look, I will take care of all of your reviews. I will respond to all of the customers. And what you're going to do is basically run this tool. And this is going to provide you all of the, where to go right here? All of the templates as far as just kind of how to respond to which comment. All you have to do is just literally copy and paste these responses that this tool generates for you. And by the way, you can kind of go back and forth with Claude and have it generate even more responses. And like I showed earlier, you can run, like for example, this reputation reviews skills, which is going to provide you additional information and more kind of nuanced recommended responses for their reviews. And by the way, the reason why this is such a massive opportunity is because you don't need 50 clients, right? If you just work with 5 to 10 clients, that's your $10,000 to $15,000 a month monthly recurring revenue. And these businesses are going to be around for a long time. So each month, if you actually work with them, and there's always going to be ongoing work because people are always going to provide reviews, and you kind of become their online reputation manager. The work is not going to be that much. You do monthly work, max 1 to 2 hours per client per month, right? The tool is doing the heavy lifting for you. What you do is just you rerun the reputation audit after you have responded to the comments and after you follow the instructions that's in that report as far as your 90-day action plans, and you show the customers, hey, look, your reputation was at this particular stage when we started, and look where it's at now. So you keep working with them, keep improving their business, and you can charge them $500 to $1,000. And of course, as far as how you can increase this if you want to. That's why I put the range between $500 to $2,000 because it depends where you are. If you're in a place like Los Angeles or San Francisco Bay Area, it's just expensive, and these areas are expensive in general. So for a customer or for a client like this, $2,000 a month is nothing. They will happily pay you if they know that you will take care of their online reviews. And like I said, this tool is going to be doing majority of the work for you. All you have to do is just follow it along step by step. This is a massive opportunity. People are just starting to realize how Claude Code works with real businesses, solving real pain points. This is an actual pain point that you're solving with this tool, right? And that's what the beauty of Claude Code is. If you know to use it the right way, you can actually start a business around it and start your agency around it. If you're interested on the step-by-step guide, if you're new to this whole world, I have an entire course on how to start your AI agency. I've had my own AI agency for the past 2 years. And all of this day-to-day accountability program that I've put on starting your agency from scratch all the way to how to price your services and everything else is based on an actual AI agency that I've run. So it's all based on experiences. The link is going to be in the description. Check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.